Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove duplicates on Google Sheets. Removing duplicates in Google Sheets can help clean up your data and ensure that each entry is unique. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to remove duplicates. Now, first, you can use the built-in remove duplicate feature. So launch Google Sheets and open the document with the data from which you want to remove duplicates. Highlight the range of cells that you want to check for duplicates. These can include one or more columns. So we have that here. And I'm highlighting this. Okay. Now, once you're done highlighting, go to data in the top corner of your screen and select data cleanup from the drop-down menu. Then click on remove duplicates. You need to configure remove duplicate settings in the dialog box which appear containing diverse options for removing duplicates. You have a couple of options. Number one, data has header row. So you can check this box if your selected range includes headers that should not be considered in the duplicate detection. Then you can click on column to analyze. All right, that's column to analyze. So choose which columns you want to check for duplicates. So this is column A. Then by default, all selected columns are checked, but you can uncheck any column you don't want to include in the duplicate check. So that's it. I just have one column. So that one column has been fixed. So uncheck if you don't want it to be added. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on remove duplicates. No duplicate rows were found. 7 unique rows remain. Fine. Go ahead and click on OK. If there are duplicates, then it's going to be removed. So if there are duplicates, Google Sheets will process your data and display a summary of how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. You can review your data to ensure that the duplicates have been removed as expected. That is the process for removing duplicates. Now, you can use the remove duplicate tools for automatic removal. That's data cleanup, remove duplicates. You can also use conditional formatting. So highlight the duplicates, then go to format, go to conditional formatting to review before removal, and then you can use sort and manually delete. So you can sort data and manually delete duplicates if you need to review each entry. So these methods will help you effectively manage and clean your data in Google Sheets. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.